Hello, my name is Steve Haworth. I am a CPA in Columbus, Indiana, and I teach the Indiana University Tax Practitioner Institute program. In Indiana, we have 7 institutes throughout the state of Indiana, and I'm one of the 2 instructors. I am beginning my 11th year with Indiana University. And throughout that time, we have used the tax textbook that we get through the University of Illinois. And I'm here to tell you, I have been asked on what we think of it, and all I can say is, how do I love thee? Let me count the ways. It begins in early January when we are invited to participate in the tax planning sessions that the University of Illinois holds to determine what topics are going to be in the book. So we are involved with the process. We get an input into what topics are to be taught. The book is extremely professionally written. They have contract authors that write these. They then have reviewers that review each chapter. And then in August, I am a part of a group of approximately 30 tax professionals that gather at the University of Illinois campus. And we take 6 hours to review each chapter for technical correction, for how it flows, how it would be perceived. And that is just a great opportunity. If you can imagine sitting in a room with 9 other tax professionals discussing in depth these tax topics. And again, we have been invited, as other users of the books from across the country have been invited to this workshop to improve the book. And then in September, we come back for what I call the dress rehearsal. We take 3 days to do a 2-day tax seminar, again, to improve the book, to improve the presentation on, not the presentation skills, but the presentation of the material. The book itself is easy to read. I also get a competitor's book each year, and their book is far inferior to the one that we use from the University of Illinois, and that's my opinion. The book that we use has footnotes on each page that this other book does not, of reference, authority from where these opinions come from, and if things are cited, you have it on the same page. You don't have to go looking in the book for any citations. It's all right there with footnotes. There are practitioners' notes throughout to give the practitioners hints on how they can help their clients save money. There are cautionary notes for those examples that may not be so obvious at first reading. So the book is very well written. You have a lot of input from practitioners all across the country, from the University of Illinois instructors, from other individuals through the University of Illinois that are not instructors, that are just knowledgeable. It's just a great opportunity. We appreciate being associated with the University of Illinois. Indiana University has used that book before I started 11 years ago. It has been great.